Hola, and welcome back to Kim at Home. In today's video, I have all kinds of motivation for you. I will be speed cleaning, doing a little bit of deep cleaning, and changing some decor around. I really appreciate you being here today, so just sit back, relax, enjoy those tips and great music.
You gotta wake up to reality, 'cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of failure. You just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy.
As you can see, I started off in my half bath today, and I always clean from top to bottom. When you clean from top to bottom, all of the dirt falls down, so you don't want to do any kind of double work. Remember, we want to work smart and not hard. I did clean the footstool, toilet, and the floors. However, I did not film it. This bathroom is pretty compact, and the camera would be too much for me. I am finished with my daily maintenance. I need to go get a towel because I forgot it upstairs, but
I see you hesitating while you're waiting, like somebody's gonna give it to you. You gotta chase it, gotta believe it. You gotta go get it for yourself. 'Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams.
I'm using vinegar to clean off the countertops, and when I do the dishes, I will be using the Free and Clear Dawn. I really like it. Let me know what type of dish soap that you like to use.
There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. You are like me, and I'm like you. You are like me, and I'm.
I will be taking off the inserts to my stove and getting those cleaned up. I feel like anytime I'm cooking and I sprinkle the seasoning over the food on top of the stove, once it needs like cleaned off, you can kind of smell it, and that's just not a good smell. I feel like it always smells like onion powder and garlic powder in my kitchen. So if something in your house smells weird when you walk into a room, just know it probably needs to be cleaned. I've received a few questions about these gloves. My mom always gets them for me, so she probably picked them up from either one of the dollar stores or Odd Lots. A lot of times the cleaning products, dish soap, and just regular soap that you wash your hands with dries your hands out, so I just want to make sure that my hands are protected. Let's talk about this microwave for a second. I have been making bacon in the microwave. I never used to do that, but I was watching another YouTuber, Sharon's She's So Fabulous, and she always talks about how crispy the bacon is in the microwave. So I tried it, and my husband told me that I was crazy. He was like, that is so weird. However, I have noticed even if you put like paper towels down at the bottom, that the grease does like spill over. So I have to make sure that I clean this way more often than what I am. Let me know how you make your bacon.
You're fine, fine. All mothers are queens, all women with dreams. Tonight the world is ours. Hey, we're gonna have that girl talk, my girls tonight. We're gonna say.
How are you doing today? Let me know below in the comments. I will say in this video that I recorded, I was having one of those days where my chronic fatigue was just out of this world. I was so tired. I kept laying down in between different parts of me cleaning. It was just a hot mess, but I needed to make sure that I got it done because the other days prior to that, I was feeling the same way. But today I'm feeling good. I'm counting my blessings. I'm very excited that I have some energy, and that is what I'm going to focus on. I know I'm wiping this several times, however, I am a thorough cleaner and I want to make sure there are no streaks. The stove also has the feature where you can lift the lid up and clean up underneath, but believe it or not, the bottom part of it was not dirty at all, which I'm really surprised. Especially with how many times we cook. I cook, my husband cooks, my oldest and my youngest daughter cooks as well, so someone is always using the stove in this house.
The world is ours. Hey, we're gonna have that girl talk, my girls tonight. We're gonna shake that load up, tear the heart to heart. Hey, yeah. We're gonna have one or two or three bottles of wine. The night is up, but the mood is bright. We're gonna dance and we'll feel right. We're gonna have that girl talk, girl talk, girl talk. Gonna have that girl talk, my girls tonight. We're gonna have one or two.
I tried to do some color contrast, but I'm not really sure how I feel about that. I'm gonna leave it there for 24 hours.
We're gonna talk about he said, she said, honey, just hang out.
This pineapple has had many homes. I just removed it from my countertop. I knew I was not gonna like that little cup there, so I switched it out for this. I'm excited to be getting some things done today, so I just wanted to switch some stuff around because, you know, I get bored. I'm here all the time. I get bored with the same decor in the same spot. So I just wanted to switch some stuff around, and it actually looks like it's all new decor, but I've had it for a while. If you get bored with decor, there's no need to go out and buy more. Just shuffle some things around your house. I call it the switcheroo. Sometimes when you do a switcheroo, it takes up a lot of time because I have found things that have been in my garage for 6 months, and then I bring it out and I'm like, oh, this looks good here and this looks good here, and then next thing you know, it's 2 hours later.
I don't believe.
All I need to do now is sweep and mop in the kitchen, but here is what it is looking like in its glory and cleanliness. The countertops are nice and clean. The table is nice and clean. The entire table is nice and clean. Over here has been tampered with and decorated. And most importantly, it smells much better in here.
I just wanna pull you closer in this bed, take me back into your arms, and I'll never let you down.
I do have a baseboard buddy for my baseboards. However, sometimes they need a little bit of cleaner, because they're just dusty and dirty. And obviously this is a kitchen, so sometimes there's splashes on the wall and on the baseboard. So I just wanted to get it cleaned off. I am using Mr. Clean Yellow Disinfectant.
Let you down. Tell me, can we meet up at your place tonight, honey?
Let me tell you, I was getting so dizzy bending down and standing up, bending down and standing up. At one point, I sat down. But like I said, this needed a really good deep clean on the baseboards.
I'll do it, yeah. I don't believe it, no. Just last week you called me your babe. Now you're letting go. The way you're talking is driving me insane. Hello, can we sit and talk this through for once before you call off the show?
Normally when I sweep and mop, I move the chairs out of the way. However, I did mention I was not feeling well at all this day, so I was just really trying to get it done. I will be using the O-Cedar mop to clean my floors. It has a cloth at the bottom and there's no contraption on there in order to disperse the cleaner. So I will disperse the cleaner. I'm using vinegar. If you are not cleaning your home with vinegar, let me tell you, it is a game changer. Vinegar is a natural disinfectant. I really, really like it. I wish they would sponsor me because I really, really enjoy using vinegar to clean. So if you don't really like the smell of vinegar, there's so many different ways that you can prevent that from happening. Let me just say that essential oils are your friend.
Take me back into your arms, and I'll never let you down, Take me back
Here is what I'm working with in the living room. It's not bad at all. However, some things in here need to be deep cleaned. For starters, I will be cleaning off the TV, the mirror, the window, and the sliding glass door. I'm using the E-Cloth polishing window cloth. It's also good for glasses. I'm holding onto this TV while I clean it off for several reasons. Number one, you cannot press too hard because the TV is very sensitive. And also, it's not a good idea to always spray your cleaner on a TV. Just make sure that you're reading the instructions, directions, manual before doing so, so you're not, ruining your TV or anything like that. I went to Lowe's today and I found a mirror to go over top of this stand. However, the mirror does not have border, so I'll have to have my dad cut some wood so that I can create a border, but I'm not really sure when I will be able to do that. When you actually buy the mirrors without the border, it's so much cheaper. You can get a huge mirror that you would normally pay like $200 for at home or Home Goods. You can get them at Lowe's for between $34 and $79.99. I am not kidding. I literally went today and was just floored by the price. Don't sleep on Lowe's. Let me tell you, they have everything in there. You can even buy a bunch of cleaning products in there as well. I'm taking off everything on the couch because there needs to be a gypsy couch clean that goes down in here today. So let me tell you, I'm sitting on the floor minding my own business, and all of a sudden, out of my peripheral, I see something crawling on my couch. It was a cricket. I promise you, it followed us in the house because my husband and the cricket were going to battle in the garage. So I got my spray, and I think it was like Raid or something, and I sprayed the heck out of the cricket that was on top of the couch. So there was a weird smell from the spray, so I wanted to make sure I got that taken care of. I'm cleaning the couch off with Mr. Clean Yellow Disinfectant and hot water.
Make me feel fine. Wanna look at you all night. Wanna put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful.
I read a quote today that said, "The more you love yourself, the less you will tolerate." Can I get an amen in the comments if you agree? While I was waiting for the couch to dry, I decided to do some dusting. That lamp is so heavy because it's real crystal. Anyway, then I ended up laying down because, like I said, I was exhausted. So I did wait for about a half an hour, before I put everything back on the couch. And I probably should have waited for about 15 minutes longer, but it's okay.
I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night, all night. I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful.
Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I truly, truly appreciate you. If you are new, please consider subscribing. Join my YouTube family. We're called the Keep Up Crew. We're trying to keep up with our homes, our families, our jobs, and everything else that's going on. Because life be lifing. Also, please do not forget to hit the like button. Every time you hit the like button, it triggers some sort of algorithm in YouTube. They have like a million of them, but this way they will push my video out more. And in case you have not been told today, you are amazing, you are worthy, and your voice matters.
And a sparkly shimmer on our skin.
I wanted to show you some things that changed. I purchased this book from I purchased this book from Home Goods, and it was $8. It's such a nice book. So I just kind of changed that up a little bit. I had the long candlesticks down here, and I also got this book right here, Elements of Style. Changed that up. There was a little bowl there, and now I just put that there. So those are some of the things that were changed. The living room looks good. I do love the vacuum lines, but I'm about to go lay down. The chronic fatigue is not good today at all.
castles out of sand, reaching for the grand.
Here is the water from the couch.
We lose track of time. Head up.
Check out those clouds. I love to stargaze and I love to look at the sky. There was a tornado about 100 miles from where I live today. Thank you again for watching. Bye guys.